Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. So normally while we are watching a movie or we are binging on a series, we munch on popcorn, don't we? But today, why not try something new? The chicken tandoori popcorn. Here I have 250 grams of boneless pieces of chicken which I have cut into very tiny pieces. We're going to marinate this with a teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of Tandoori Garam Masala. This is easily available in any of your local store. A little bit of kasuri methi, a tablespoon of roasted chana dal flour, 2 tablespoons of hung curd, juice of half a lemon. Let's drizzle a teaspoon of mustard oil, sprinkle some salt, and just let's mix all this together. Let's leave this aside for at least half an hour to get marinated. So here I have a cup of plain flour. We're going to add a teaspoon of red chilli powder to this, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of amchur powder, some salt to taste. Just mix this well. You can always adjust the seasoning or the flavors according to your taste. So here, this mixture is ready. So here we've cracked 2 eggs and beaten them well. And here I have taken cornflakes and simply crushed them because I had lots of cornflakes at home. So I'm using cornflakes. You can use breadcrumbs or you can use panko breadcrumbs, anything of your choice. We're going to just coat each of these small tiny pieces of the meat with this flour. Keep it aside. Now these tiny cubes of chicken, dip them in the egg, roll them into the cornflakes. Just keep them aside. So these popcorns can be made prior and kept and can be fried just before viewing your films. So now our oil is hot. Let's just fry these nice and crisp. This doesn't take more than a minute to fry. Let's fry the remaining popcorn as well. Now that our crispy chicken popcorn is ready, I'm going to make a quick dip for this. So here I have 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. To that I'm going to add a teaspoon of ketchup, a little bit of garlic paste, maybe 1/4 teaspoon. Just whisk this and our dip is ready. I'm just going to remove this in a serving bowl. So I'm going to plate the popcorn. We're going to sprinkle some cheese, some finely chopped coriander, a little bit of chaat masala, and there you go. Your crispy chicken tandoori popcorn is ready to be served. So now you can enjoy your movie as well. Do try this recipe. Let me know and keep watching Get Curried.